fair. It doesn't matter that you are the smallest of them. You're not an old man. You're the one. Is the guy there with you? No core and professional information. Not for matters that I can give over there.
Yes, yes.
Very, very briefly.
Yes.
Yeah.
I wish.
Let me give my form of condolence on behalf of myself.
I think
2016 eh nuravie mavida mengi ila madhugumo nini maundu ta macio na kwimbugo mwiri wote gwokwenda nake. He met the doctor trying to flush his problems with the stomach. He stayed there for overnight, and then he came back. Then he came here. He told us, now I think let's not talk about these problems of him here. Let's take him to the hospital once again. So we went back, all of us, to the hospital. Around 5-ish, 6-ish, then we were there. And then he was attended by the doctor, around 7:45, surprising, the doctor came and said, now this mzee cannot continue there, that he has passed on. And we cannot say that he hasn't been sick for quite a time. The fact that after the clinic and he was released back, then his problem was about the constipation. It's the one which I think went beyond what you could do, and therefore he left us at 7:45, 8-ish, thereabouts.
mpoteza kiongozi wa maana sana kwa kikanisa na pia kwa community, ambaye ni Right Reverend Gideon Ireri Emeritus. Ni yeye alianza diocese ya Mbere yote mwakani tulipogawanya kutoka Embu.
I have known Bishop for many years. Bishop was 78. I'm 70 years old. And he was 8 years older than me. And he always referred to his wife as my older sister. I met Bishop Gideon Ireri many a times, particularly in his retirement and in my retirement. I have worked very closely with Bishop Gideon Ireri. On the 24th of April 1976, he participated, he's the one who married me at the All Saints Cathedral, along with the late Archbishop Gitari. And therefore, this is one man I had known for many years.